Hello guys, I still remember humble self Chukwuka Oblago, and I am addressing the Billion Coin community. Okay, I would have done this video in a situation whereby you guys should see my expression, because I want to talk to those who are desperate, so desperate that they fall easily for fraudsters. Okay, they fall easily for fraudsters. Okay, but today I'm going to do this from the Billion Coin app because it has a major role to play to prevent you or to protect you against fraudsters. Now I'm doing this because of an event that happened earlier this week, where somebody in my 50/50 commission group posted a link about Becareful accepting TBC as a means of payment for Bitcoin. Okay, as a means of payment to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so but when I looked at the link, I clicked on the link, it got me to Becareful. But my experience with online in the online space led me to go directly to Becareful.com. And guess what? When I got to Becareful.com and I opened Becareful and I went through the 300 and something options they have as a payment option for buying Bitcoin, there was no TBC listed there. So that means that site is a phishing site, meaning that the moment you send your TBC to that site, automatically your TBC is gone. It's gone, and you have burnt your finger. Okay, so you guys have to understand that desperation is not going to help anybody. The fact that you have a send button and you want to sell your TBC, you want to cash out your TBC, should not mean you should be desperate to fall for scams. I almost fell for one. This time they impersonated downloads, and they came to my YouTube channel and said that they can help me convert my TBC to Bitcoin, and I asked me to pay a ridiculous sum. But I almost paid. Honestly, I almost paid. But what made me not to pay is because of my experience with YouTube. I had to click on the profile and there was nothing on the account. So what they did was they duplicated Danlu's name and his picture, even went as far as going to for Sydney Shelton, okay, to duplicate, and we are duping people. And the next minute, some people will come with testimonies, fake accounts will come with testimonies. Okay, so you guys have to beware. Okay, if you have a send button, you are privileged. Okay, and the best way for you to get to sell your TBC, if you're really desperate for cash, is to learn how to sell. Okay, learn how to sell. If I have $1 and I want to get naira, I have to sell it to the guy that has naira who wants dollar. I can't go and sell dollar to somebody who doesn't want dollar. I have to find somebody who wants TBC, so they're willing to give me their naira for TBC. They're willing to give me their Bitcoin for TBC. They're willing to give me their Litecoin for TBC. And better still, if you are not a sales guy, or if you don't know how to go and pitch it out there, you can look for people you can partner with. We have about close to 3 million people in the community who want to make money with TBC, and all you need to know is to follow the principle that Bitcoin Randy has given out, that most of the leaders, including me, are doing, which is finding people to partner with. Give them 50% commission. Create your own WhatsApp group. Don't come to somebody's group and start posting rubbish there, trying to get their own people. Do your own advertisement through YouTube. I don't mean you should go and do advert and pay. But if you can do that, no problem. But whatever you do, okay, don't be desperate. Okay, desperation blinds you to the point of falling for cheap scams and fraudsters. And trust me. Okay, most of you don't see value in TBC. Let me tell you something. The fraudsters, the scammers, they see value in TBC. They want your TBC because I was falling for that shit before. Okay, I've lost TBC to a fraudster who claims they can give me Bitcoin. Okay, so guys, you have to wise up. Okay, follow the principle of TBC. If you don't have access to information, download the Billion Coin app and follow the information. A lot of people are asking me, fiat exchange. The admin has given out information a lot on the fiat exchange. It's just when it's going to get started, and it's best for things to be okay before it gets started. So we will not encounter what we encountered with the blockchain. That we start fiat exchange testing, and the next minute it's off for a call for almost a year. No, we have to make sure that the things are okay. So guys, we have to sit up. We have to protect this community. We have to protect this community. If you're not interested in TBC, please leave. Okay? Allow those who are interested in TBC to do their thing, because this is how you will be scammed, and the next minute you start calling TBC a scam. Meanwhile, you don't understand a dime about TBC. You don't even understand about cryptocurrency. All you care about is whether it's listed in the coin market cap or whether you can go to an exchange and sell it. But you don't know now what happens in an exchange is that the exchanges are connecting the buyers to sellers. And not all cryptocurrency, even Dogecoin has been around for some time, is not on all major crypto exchanges. So any coin, Litecoin, Ethereum have been there for a very long time. So it takes time, guys. It takes time. All you have to do is be willing to follow what is working for others. I've paid out over $500 in commission to people. Okay? Because I believe that working with people and empowering them for them to earn 50% commission is far better than me doing it by myself. It's not I can't do it by myself. Of course, I can do it by myself. But when they have a taste of what they can make with TBC, it brings them to the point whereby they see no limit to how much they can make with TBC. And you can see them on a weekly basis make serious money with TBC. So guys, fraudsters love your TBC. And if you snooze, you lose to them. If you're desperate, you lose to them. So download the Billion Coin app, stay close to the blog, read blog every day, read it every day. Even if it means going back to beginning of the year to start reading the blog, do that, because it will help you put your mind in perspective. Okay? So till I come your way next time, I still remember my humble self, and I hope I left you better than I met you. Take care. Bye for now.